Hello, hello. Welcome to my alpha. So, today I got a little something for y'all. We got a little small brains, got a little Arbitrum tutorial. We're going to talk about magic, we're going to talk about treasure, staking, all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Shout out to my cousin Preems for the fucking tunes. This guy is an insane producer. Go check him out, Preems. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. There's a lot to talk about, but yeah, a lot of people have been asking me about Arbitrum, small brain, this and that. So let's get to it. So let's do a quick rundown on treasure. Treasure started off as a free to mint loot treasure, you know, kind of like stash or sloot, something like that. And it grew into what it is now. You know, they have implemented a DAO, so it's basically a treasure DAO now. They have a marketplace. They have their own coin, which is magic, and yeah, a lot of great projects. Small brains, which we're about to talk about, getting bodied, um, and something like toadstools, I think, is coming out. But yeah, okay. So treasure is that. We'll keep it simple. Feel free to follow their Discord for more. But so treasure launched magic, and magic right now is absolutely mooning. I wouldn't say mooning, but it's going crazy. Last week it was like at 30 cents. Um, these dips are getting bought up. 20% drop right here, just got eaten up. Basically, I like this chart a lot, and I'm going to show you guys how to buy it if you want. So this is a layer 2 token. It's on Arbitrum. How to get Arbitrum, I'm about to explain it right now, but basically Arbitrum is like a layer 2, they call it a scaling solution. And what it does is so it uses something called like optimistic rollups. Basically, instead of it being just a ton of proof sent to layer 1 and like the transactions are super slow, it bundles it up into one single proof and it's submitted directly to layer 2. So without, using layer 1 and also making it super fast computations by bundling it up into this one little proof, it speeds up so much, brings the fees down tremendously, and it's becoming a really popular network. You have to pay one fee to transfer to layer 2, but besides that, you can buy magic, you can do whatever you want once you're in there. And how do you do that? You need Arbitrum Bridge. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to add this to your MetaMask. I'll put all these links in the description, but it's fairly simple. You can see here that sometimes it allows you to add the layer 2 network. I haven't done that yet. I actually do it manually, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to want to go into your MetaMask. You're going to click on the top right, go to settings, scroll down to networks. When you hit add network, it's going to ask you for all this information. Just go ahead and copy paste it. It's fairly simple, and it's going to add Arbitrum network into your MetaMask. So as you can see here, I have 3 networks. This is the Binance Smart Chain. That really doesn't have anything to do with what we're doing, but you can see Arbitrum is here. I have 0 magic because I'm staking it. We'll get to that in a bit. So yeah, so once you have Arbitrum in your MetaMask, this is where you can now bridge to layer 2. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our MetaMask here. And this is the fees I was referring to. This is the only one time you're gonna have to pay a fee. We're gonna see what it would be right now to swap just a little bit. Let's see what happens here. You're gonna want to click deposit. It just says it's gonna take a little bit. Switch networks. So right now fees are $58, and this I don't have anything in this wallet, but this is just kind of what you're gonna want to have extra to bridge. So let's say you have 0.5 Ethereum you're gonna want to swap. This is just the fee might be a little more, but after this fee, it's all gonna be on layer 2, and then once you have your Ethereum on layer 2, you can buy magic. And how do you do that? You can buy magic on SushiSwap. Okay, awesome. So once you're in SushiSwap, you turn on some preems and you vibe out because you're about to buy some magic. So one thing you have to make sure of is that you are on the Arbitrum network. Literally the only thing you gotta worry about. Not even worry about it, just make sure you are on it. Once you are on Arbitrum, you go ahead and you find magic, which by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, treasure, the lovely treasure. If you go right up here, I'll go ahead and do it for you. And then you can go connect. But yeah, so swap for that magic and congrats, you have magic. It's gonna ask you if you want to add the token. Go ahead and add it. As you can see, I'm filthy rich. Just kidding. I have nothing in here, but it should look like this with your amount, and you're ready to go. Now you can buy NFTs on Arbitrum. You can basically do whatever you want with this. Hold it, which is what I would highly suggest because this chart is phenomenal. You could stake it, which is what I'm doing, or what I plan to do with more. So let me show you how to stake. You're gonna want to go onto the treasure.lol website, which again I will link. You're gonna hit here mine. Once you connect your wallet, it'll tell you how much magic you have here. You can also buy magic here. And as you can see, you can mine treasure. You can stake treasure. A bunch of stuff here. Not really sure what this is. I think it's like wrapped Ethereum or something. I'm not sure. Whatever. So here we are going to stake magic. And it's fairly simple. You can stake it for 2 weeks or 3 months, I believe. There's only 2 options. I'm doing the 2 weeks, which is at 120% return rate. I believe this 2-month or 3-month, whatever it is at a 50% return. 150% return rate. So choose wisely either way. This is enough conviction right here. So yeah, that's how to stake your magic. Now let's talk about the big boy, one and only Small Brains NFT that I really do believe is going to do extremely well in the future, along with all the other Arbitrum / Layer 2 projects that are paving the way. So yeah, let's talk about Small Brains. I was introduced to Small Brains again by my cousin Preem. Speaking of, let's get to it. And this project has been going crazy. So as early Discord members, OG members, we were able to get this right here, all of this right here. So all of this is a male and a female small brain and the land. So right now, unfortunately, you have to buy all these separately, or you can just stake a male or a female, whatever you like. But what's happening is that these small brains are gaining IQ. The longer you stake them, the smarter they get. The smarter they get, the bigger their heads get, and the more breakthroughs you have on your land. The reason this is important is because after 3 months, we will get breakthroughs of, trees, coconuts, and children, little ape children, that will actually collect all this for us in return for magic. So that's where it all leads to. These monkeys, it's almost like, a long play. You're staking these for the long run, but the longer you stake, you're pretty much getting to the point where you earn magic. The timeline, I think, is about 3 months. But in that timeline, we're going to be getting so much cool stuff. Free airdrops, cool cars, like palm tree cars. This is all stuff you can find on their tweets and all that. Little characters like this. The project is absolutely next level. And we're also super early in this, so go ahead and check out the markets. Maybe grab yourself a little small brain and an island. See, right now they're going for like $8.50, but magic is almost $2, so that's about like 1,600 bucks around there. So you would have to get a small brain as well as a small brain land in order to stake this. These are going for 600 bucks right now. Again, this is a long-term play. You're gonna stake these for a few months, but the concept is amazing. The team is great. Magic is booming. Overall, it's one of my biggest alpha projects right now, and I really just want everybody to learn more about Layer 2, what it can bring to the table when it comes to NFTs and Ethereum and all that. But yeah, I hope I touched on everything I wanted to. I will leave some of these links in the description. But I want y'all to get hyped that you are now part of the future, and I will just, you know, go check them out. It's pretty unreal. Creams, my man. NFTs, small brains. We out here. Welcome, alphas. Thanks for watching.